using your KitchenAid High Performance Series blender. With your blender in standby mode, add your ingredients to the jar, starting with liquid ingredients, then soft foods, leafy greens, and add ice or frozen ingredients last. Secure the lid onto the blender jar, then place the jar onto the base, making sure it is aligned on the jar pad. Flip the start-stop switch up or down to start your blender, then turn the control dial to your desired speed. While blending, turn the dial to slowly ramp up and down between low and high speed to ensure a thorough blend. For thick or sticky blends, use the tamper as needed to push, stir, and scrape your ingredients for optimal blending performance. While the blender is in standby mode, use the pulse function for recipes that require lighter processing. When you're finished blending, flip the start-stop switch up or down and allow the blender to come to a complete stop. Remove the lid and pour your latest blended creation. Explore every taste and texture. From KitchenAid.